Experiencing sound problems with your Spectrum cable box? First, check your cable connections. Ensure HDMI or optical cables are securely plugged into both the box and your TV. Next, reboot your cable box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Then check your TV volume and make sure it is not muted or very low. If sound is still missing, use your Spectrum remote to navigate to the Settings menu, usually by pressing the Settings button. From there, look for Audio Settings or Audio Output. Make sure the output is set to PCM for basic compatibility. If you have a soundbar or receiver, try setting the audio output to Auto Detect or Dolby Digital if your equipment supports it. Also, ensure your TV input is correctly selected to match the HDMI port your cable box is connected to, like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. These steps resolve most common sound problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, delve into advanced settings. Check your TV's audio settings and ensure it's set to HDMI or PCM mode, avoiding conflicting formats. If you recently upgraded to a 4K Spectrum box, verify you're using a high-speed HDMI cable, HDMI 2.0 or higher, to ensure proper audio transmission. If using HDMI ARC, audio return channel, confirm it's enabled in both your TV and soundbar settings, allowing audio to pass back from the TV to the soundbar via the HDMI cable. If you are using Dolby Atmos, make sure your device is capable of doing so, and make sure you are in auto mode. Finally, check if your cable box has the latest firmware, settings, system info. If problems persist after these steps, contact Spectrum support. They may recommend a box swap, which is often free for defective units. Remember, if Spectrum is rolling out a new update, issues may be widespread, but keep trying to fix the issue.